Okay, today we are studying very basic concept of the neuroanatomy. So first we studying the neurology. In neurology we study the neuroanatomy, neurophysiology and neuropathology. So first, what is the neurology? Neurology is the medicine or biological that deals with the anatomy, physiology, function and organic disorder of nerve and nervous system. Also we can say the treatment and diagnosis of all categories about nerve and the nervous system. This information we will study in the neurology. So first we study the nervous system. We are starting from the anatomy and the physiology together. First, what is the nervous system? So nervous system. So nervous system is divided into two parts. First part is the central nervous system and second part is the peripheral nervous system. In the central nervous system we discuss about the brain and the spinal cord. Okay, brain and the this is the brain and the spinal cord. I am doing shadow with the green pen. This area, it is the spinal cord. And shadowing with the another pen. This is the brain. What is this? Brain. Okay, this is the central nervous system. So peripheral nervous system also divided into two parts: sensory peripheral nervous system and the motor peripheral nervous system. First is sensory peripheral nervous system and second is the motor peripheral nervous system. Okay, so what is the sensory peripheral nervous system and what is the motor peripheral nervous system? Sensory peripheral nervous system, it is divided into two parts. First is the special sensation, and second is the general sensation. Okay, so what is the difference between special sensation and the general sensation? Special sensation is the special part. It is generated by the special part of the body. Like special sensation, it is, you can write here, special part of the body. Okay, it is generated by the special part of the body, like olfaction. Okay, smell. Okay, hearing and one more, taste. Olfaction, visual. Okay, olfaction means visual. We can see with our eyes, we can't see with our nose, or we can't see with our ear. So olfaction only visual. visual part is the eye. Smell with nose. Hear with ears. Okay, taste with the tongue. These all are the special part of the body. Like eyes, special part of the body. Smell, nose with nose, special part of the body. Hearing, ear, special part of the body. Taste, like tongue, this is also a special part of the body. General sensation. General sensation, it is divided into two parts. This is like general sensation divided into two part. Okay, somatic sensation, somatic sensation and visceral sensation, visceral sensation. So what is the somatic sensation and what is the general sensation? Okay, somatic sensation is from the skin, subcutaneous tissue, superficial area of the body, and also come from the locomotor system. So somatic sensation, it is like skin, subcutaneous tissue, locomotor system. Okay, locomotor system. Okay, visceral sensation, it is this type of sensation, it is inner body of the sensation, like pain, dull pain. Okay, dull pain, like kidney pain, liver pain. This is the inner part of the body and that pain. Okay, so very basic function of the brain, very basic function of the brain. So very basic function of the brain or CNS, that is